Greetings, my name is Hector, EdTech Specialist with EdTech Boost New Mexico. Welcome to this brief tutorial on setting up a Facebook account. Interested in becoming a part of our EdTech Boost New Mexico learning community on Facebook? It's a vibrant space dedicated to fostering communication, sharing insights, and collaborating among our EdTech Boost New Mexico members. If you're yet to have a Facebook account, let me guide you through the process. Let's get started. First off, you want to go to an internet browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, so I'll go ahead and search for Facebook on the search bar and click enter. Once I do this, we have the first result here for Facebook, facebook.com. I'll go ahead and click on this link. And now I can either log in or create a new account. I'll go ahead and click on this button. Facebook requires you to enter this information: your name, phone number or email, password, and birthday, and this information as well. They require this information, I believe, because they don't want fake profiles. They want real people on their platform. Once you click on sign up, you will have to confirm either your mobile number or your email. If you entered your mobile number, you will have to enter the code you get via text message in the confirm box that shows up when you log in to Facebook. If you entered your email instead of your phone number, then you will have to click or tap the link in the email you got when you created the account. All right, that is how you create a new account on Facebook. We can't wait for you to join us on this journey with EdTech Boost. Thank you for watching.